video I'll be showing you how I built a simple Kratky setup with aeration this time. So I've built a Kratky setup in the past. Now I'm going to be building one that has a small aeration pump that will hopefully help to bring oxygen to the plant's roots. So first I'm starting out the way I did last time, except this time rather than drilling holes in the yogurt cup, I'm going to cut some slits in it. I make sure that the slits aren't so big that they'll allow the clay balls to come out, but also of course big enough that they allow ample root flow throughout. Now I'm going to drill a bunch of holes in the lid, and eventually I'll cut those through with an X-Acto knife to cut a hole out to stick the yogurt cup into the top of this jar. This is an easy way to cut through plastic that works pretty much any plastic, whether it's a plastic that cracks or easily or a plastic that is really moldable or easy to push through with heat. It's very easy to drill holes in plastic or even metal and cut through that way. Now I've got the yogurt cup fitting. I'm just going to reinforce the bottom of it with a little bit of duct tape since one of the slits I cut in it cracked the bottom open. Now I'll screw it in place and test it out. Now that I figured this out, I'm going to drill a hole for the air pump, and I'm going to find a drill bit that is roughly the right size for the tubing that I've got. Now I can attach the whole thing to the container. Now I'll go inside and I'll add an air stone. The air stone just helps disperse the bubbles better and makes it easier on the plant roots. Now I'll grab some hydroponic nutrients. I have another video in my hydroponics playlist that you can go and watch. So today I'm planting a cucumber. I've started it, and I've also got a seed starting video that you can go watch. You can see how I started this cucumber. It's grown in a cotton ball medium, and I'm going to add some clay pellets around it, and then the cotton ball. Now I'll add some fresh hydroponic nutrients that I had to mix up. I filled up to just below the bottom of the yogurt cup. Now I'll connect the air pump. The hope is that the air pump will allow the roots to get more oxygen while they're first trying to survive in the hydroponic nutrients, and then as they have more developed root systems, they'll be able to grab nutrients from the water lower down and have more air around them. And here it is all set up. It's been growing for a couple of weeks, and it's grown 2 new leaves. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.